Chili Paneer by Sohan.
Hello there and welcome to Sohan's cooking show. Today we are making chili paneer. So, well, you might have missed this bit, but I got paneer, 250 grams and 1 cup of, what's it called? Oh yeah, cornstarch. So right now I'm about to shallow fry it and yeah, let's go.
Now let me stop you there just for a small moment. You should probably put salt and pepper when you mix your corn flour and your paneer so your paneer doesn't taste tasteless.
As you see, you must gently put it in the pan.
Now you see it's golden brown. So you need to flip them all over and yeah, flip them all over. That's it. I think I should turn the gas down a bit, maybe.
Paneer is well shallow fried. Put it in a bowl for the next stage.
Now we start on the vegetables.
Pour the oil into your pan while the gas is on. Make sure it's evenly spread out and don't put too much or else you're going to get really oily food and it's not going to be nice. So here is the garlic, ginger, onions and chilies. So first put the garlic in and then the ginger, only a tiny bit though, chilies, and last of all the onions. Keep stirring so your vegetables don't get stuck to the pan. Okay.
So we sauteed it for 5 minutes and now we need to add the soy sauce. And chili sauce.
Okay, so I mixed corn flour and water and now I'm going to pour it into here. Now stir it for a while until it makes a dark sauce and it looks nice.
We need to add the paneer. And keep stirring until well coated.
Okay, so now the paneer is well sauteed, cooked, and ready to be served.
freshly cut coriander and make your paneer look nice. So, here we go.